Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Messenger and getting directly to message filters. Tap your profile icon, then choose Message Requests or Settings to reveal filters. Once there, select Hidden Chats or Filtered Messages. This uncovers messages flagged as spam or filtered by privacy rules. You need to check both the primary and spam sections. Sometimes messages land in another folder. If you use web, click the three dots next to chats and choose message requests to access the same locations. Once you see filtered conversations, inspect each request carefully. Read the preview and judge whether you know the sender. If it's relevant, press accept to move it to your main inbox. Press decline or report if it's spam or abusive. Make sure to also check archived chats. Hidden messages are sometimes archived instead of filtered. Use the search bar to enter a name or keyword to surface missed messages quickly and reopen any conversation you want to reuse. Finalize by moving important threads to your inbox and pinning or marking them unread so they don't disappear again. Then, adjust message delivery and privacy settings to whitelist contacts or disable aggressive filtering. If a message still seems missing, log out and back in or update the app. Sometimes cached data prevents visibility. Make sure to check the same account on another device. Messages can appear there first. If problems persist, clear app cache or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.